Listen carefully. If you are struggling with fapping, lust, or losing control over your mind, this video is for you. This is not entertainment. This is a straight guide that will teach you how to stop wasting your energy and finally master yourself. Most guys live as slaves to their urges, but not you. If you stay with me until the end of this video, you will learn 12 clear steps to control lust, control your hands, and control your life. Let's begin. Step 1. Identity shift. Before anything else, you need to stop calling yourself an addict, a failure, or someone who is stuck. The more you see yourself as a victim, the more you will act like one. Stop counting days on a calendar. Stop waiting for some magical number. This is not about surviving 1 week or 1 month. This is about becoming a man who does not waste his power. Your identity creates your habits. From today, say to yourself, I am not a slave to lust. I am someone who values his energy. Step 2. Kill free time. The truth is, most guys relapse because they are bored. Empty time is the devil's playground. If you have nothing to do, your brain will look for cheap pleasure. That is why you need to fill your day with things that make you tired and productive. Go to the gym. Go outside. Learn a skill. Work on your studies or your business. Even small actions like reading a book, cleaning your room, or going for a walk can destroy boredom. When you come home exhausted, your body will want sleep, not scrolling and fapping. Remember this, tired men don't relapse, bored men do. And if you remove boredom, you remove 80% of the problem instantly. Step 3. Build safe zones. Your environment controls you more than you think. If your bedroom is messy, if your phone is next to you all night, if you're alone with nothing to do, urges will win. You need to build safe zones. Do not keep your phone in bed. Keep your laptop away unless you need it for real work. Clean your room so your mind feels calm. Create an environment where lust does not easily enter. When your environment is strong, your self-control feels 10 times easier. Step 4. Avoid triggers. Most relapses start with one trigger. A picture, a scroll, a video, a memory. If you keep feeding your brain these triggers, you will never escape. You must cut them off. Unfollow pages that post lustful content. Use filters or apps that block websites. Be strict with your eyes in real life too. If someone walks by dressed in a way that sparks thoughts, lower your gaze. Discipline your eyes, and your mind will follow. You cannot win if you keep playing with fire. Step 5. Replace urges instantly. You cannot fight an urge by sitting still. The more you think about it, the stronger it gets. The only way to win is to replace it instantly. The moment you feel the urge, stand up, do push-ups until you are sweating. Take a cold shower. Go outside. Call a friend. Write down what you are grateful for. Shift your energy into something else. The faster you replace, the weaker the urge becomes. Don't argue with lust. Outsmart it. Step 6. Build awareness. Most guys relapse on autopilot. They don't even realize what they are doing until it's too late. That is why you need awareness. Start journaling your progress. Write down how you feel each day. Use a habit tracker to mark your streaks. Tell a close friend to hold you accountable. Put a sticky note on your mirror with a reminder of why you are doing this. The more aware you become of your actions, the less likely you are to fall into them blindly. Step 7. Fix emotional gaps. Here's a hard truth. A lot of guys use fapping to escape their loneliness, their stress, or their sadness. Lust becomes a way to numb emotions, but you need to face them. Go out and socialize. Build friendships. Join a community or a group. Spend time with family. Find hobbies that bring you joy. Connect with real people. When your emotional needs are being met in healthy ways, you won't run to fake screens for comfort. Step 8. Control thoughts. Your mind is where the battle is really fought. Lusty thoughts don't disappear when you are online. They show up in your imagination too. That is why you need to train your mind. When a thought appears, don't fight it, just redirect it. Think about your goals. Think about your dream life. Think about your future family. Replace lustful imagination with vision. Also, train yourself to lower your gaze, both online and offline. Small wins in your thoughts lead to big wins in your actions. Step 9. Handle relapse smart. Let's be real. Some of you will relapse. But the difference between weak men and strong men is how they respond. A weak man relapses and then gives up completely. A strong man relapses, studies what went wrong, and grows. Write down what triggered it. Maybe it was boredom, maybe late at night, maybe scrolling. Learn the pattern and break it. Do not waste time hating yourself. Shame keeps you trapped. Growth sets you free. Step 10. Strengthen the mind. If your mind is weak, lust will always control you. That is why you need to train mental strength. Meditate daily, even if just for 5 minutes. Practice gratitude. Pray if you're religious. Talk to yourself with power, not weakness. Replace thoughts like, I can't do this, with I am stronger than this. Mental strength is built like a muscle. The more you practice, the more control you gain. Step 11. Strengthen the body. A weak body creates a weak mind. If you eat junk, sleep late, and never move, you'll have no energy to fight lust. Fix your body. Train in the gym. Run. Play sports. Eat clean food. Drink water. Sleep early and wake up early. When your body is strong, your energy rises. High energy kills urges. Remember, the best way to beat lust is to live in a body that feels powerful. Step 12. Higher mission. At the end of the day, the only way to stay consistent is to have a mission bigger than your pleasure. Why are you doing this? Do you want to build a career, a legacy, a family, a life of respect? Keep that mission in your mind every single day. When lust tries to tempt you, remember that your purpose is more valuable than a few seconds of fake pleasure. Men with missions do not waste time. They rise. So here's the truth. Lust will always exist. But it is your choice whether you live as a slave to it or as a master of it. These 12 steps are not just tricks. They are a system for life. Identity shift, kill free time, build safe zones, avoid triggers, replace urges, build awareness, fix emotional gaps, control thoughts, handle relapse, strengthen the mind, strengthen the body, and follow a higher mission. If you follow this system, you will finally take control. This is the last video you need to watch on this topic. Now it's your turn to act. Stop wasting your life. Start living with power.